Every day, thousands believe in them. It has been rightly said, it is the food that helps each person's heart. A Dabbawala is a person in India, mostly in Mumbai. This organization of Dabbawala started in 1890 by Mr. Mahadev Kawashi. Dabbawala are the part of delivery system that collects hot food in lunch boxes from the residences of workers in the late morning. They deliver the lunch boxes to their workplace, predominantly using bicycles and the railway trains. They return the empty boxes to the workers' residence that afternoon. Most office workers prefer home cooked food at their working place rather than eating outside. They make sure each and every tiffin reaches the right person on the right time. They use a specific coding system which is very efficient and they make sure it never goes wrong. This color coding system identifies the destination and the recipient. They are our everyday heroes, the Mumbai Dabbawala, who work tirelessly throughout the clock and make sure the box of love reaches on time.
माझं नाव आहे शंकर गणपत आढावा. मी एक मुंबई जळगाव आहे. मुंबई जळगाव आमच्यासाठी आमचे कस्टमर एक प्रत्येक एखाद्या धंदा व्यवसाय प्रत्येक कस्टमर एक देवासारखं असतं आणि आमच्या कामधंद्यामध्ये आम्हाला भरपूर अडीअडचणी येत असतात. ट्रॅफिक म्हणा, सायकल पार्किंग म्हणा, बऱ्याच काही गोष्टींची अडचण असते. ट्रॅफिकमधून जाणं पण आम्हाला एवढंच जेव्हा मी सायकलवर पावसाळ्यात चालवताना आनंद येतो ना, बाकी विषय आम्हाला पाहिजे. पाऊस आम्हाला खूप आवडतो कारण पावसाळा एक दिवस असा असतो की ट्रॅफिक पूर्ण पब्लिक साईडला असतं.